Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a zoom effect to your videos in CapCut PC. Super simple to do. Select your video here, and I'm just going to let me just adjust it so it's the same ratio. Add a keyframe here, and then go to the part where you kind of want to zoom in. So I think I'm going to make the speed, okay, I do have to add curves though. Oh my gosh, now it's paid. That's annoying, but anyways, so here I kind of want to make it a little bit on the faster side. Let me just like here, I guess. And then here I'm going to make it like super slow. And then to normal again. So when that like slow speed hits, I'm going to kind of like zoom into it. I don't want to make it too long though, so maybe like this. Okay, I think that works. Okay, so once you're done, you are just going to, well, I already added the keyframe, so when the slow motion hits, oops, you're going to go to video. Sorry. So this part. And you're going to scale it, and you're going to kind of position it here. And then you're going to kind of zoom out again. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. And then add another keyframe, and then you can kind of zoom out. Sorry about that. Here you can also add in like show variable speed animations, and you can like add curves if you'd like to. Maybe the out. Let's do rebound out maybe. Just kind of play around with it, to be honest. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. That's how you can kind of zoom in and zoom out, add some little effects and all. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.